how to move screen in Excalidraw. So basically, go ahead and open up your project, all right? And if you don't know how to open your project, you can click the three bars to the top left and just click open and just select the file that ends with Excalidraw signing, and that means that this file will be able to play right here or open right here. So as you can see right here, you will see basically the official website, and this is my project, let's say. And if I want to basically move the screen, I could just click the hand right here at the top, the hand tool, and I could just move it wherever I want. All right, another way of doing it, you can just zoom in with your Mac or laptop, right? And I could just move my finger to the left or to the right. I could just click the hand tool again and just hold and then move it to whatever I want. So if you use a laptop, you can zoom in with your finger, with your two fingers, by zooming in, right, with your fingers across of each other, right? And you can zoom it in and change it, right, change places. Or you can just zoom out, right? And if I want to move left to right, I could just move my finger left or to the right, and then I could just see where I want to go. Right, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.